Good morning, everybody. My name is Andres Morales, your NAHREP Orange County 2021 incoming president. I want to welcome you to our board installation for our chapter for 2021.
And now we will have the Pledge of Allegiance. Please place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I
pledge allegiance to the flag
of the United States
of America,
and
to
to
the
the
republic
for which it stands,
one nation,
one nation,
under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you. Next is Lena King, who's our 2021 sponsorship director for NAHREP Orange County.
Good morning, and thank you for having us. I would like to extend a big heartfelt thank you to our national sponsors this would not be possible without you. A big heartfelt thank you to Chase and Citibank.
Thank you, Lena. Next, we have Ricardo Hernandez. Ricardo has been part of NAHREP Orange County for a number of years. And in 2020, he was our chapter president. Welcome, Ricardo.
Thank you. Hey guys, Ricardo Hernandez. First of all, I want to say thank you to our board last year for all the support. Last year was a very tough and unique year in the sense that we had a big pandemic, but we adjusted well. We worked well together to provide some guidance and leadership during that time. And I think the best thing we did as a group was put our heads down and really work. A lot of people wanted to sort of stop what they were doing. We decided to move forward and go after it and do what we should do, is lead by example. So thank you to the board. Thank you for all the hard work. Congrats to this incoming board. A lot of smart, talented individuals. As I look at the roster, it's super excited for the knowledge that's going to be shared with this group. So we're going to go ahead and move on to the next portion of the installation, which is installing the board. So I need everyone to raise their right hand. State after me. I state your name.
I, Andres Morales,
promise to faithfully and honorably serve as a director of the National Association of Hispanic Real Estate Professionals of the Orange County chapter.
Serve as a director of the National Association of the Orange County chapter.
To protect and fulfill the integrity of the organization.
And to protect and fulfill the integrity of the organization.
Its bylaws and public purpose.
Its bylaws and public purpose.
And to advance the cause of sustainable Hispanic homeownership.
And to advance the bylaws sustainable Hispanic homeownership.
So help me God.
So help me God.
So help me God.
By the power vested in me, I install you to the office in which you have been elected. I'm now going to go ahead and hand you guys over to Andres Morales, your incoming 2021 president. Super excited about Andres. I don't know too many people who are more passionate about the cause as far as helping people and really making a difference. So you'll hear his passion when he speaks. You'll see it in his eyes. You see it in his body. Great leadership coming forward. So here's Andres Morales.
Awesome, guys. So I want to welcome everybody to our 2021 board installation. And with the following words, I am echoing Gary Sacosta's words from NAHREP 2021. 2020 will be remembered as a year of the coronavirus, a once-in-a-lifetime pandemic devastating families, crushed our economy, and caused record unemployment and business closures. As the pandemic brought the world to its knees, Latino workers here in the United States are working harder than ever, keeping the nation's infrastructure operational, ensuring the continuous flow of our food supply, and fighting the coronavirus head-on as frontline workers. Despite a very weak economy, historically low interest rates, and strong consumer demand, the housing market is thriving, and Latinos increased their homeownership rate in 2020 for the sixth consecutive year, and the only racial demographic to have 6 straight years of homeownership growth. Hi, my name is Andres Morales, your 2021 NAHREP Orange County president. Welcome to our chapter's installation. This year, our message is one of gratitude to our corporate partners for supporting us, gratitude to our members and chapter leaders, gratitude to our national boards and to our family and friends, and frontline workers that got us through this year, that helped us thrive to keep our momentum onward and upward. I wish I could be with you all feeling the energy and getting hugs, but we still have a job to do. And I believe we have an incredible opportunity to create the change our community needs. I'm happy to report that the state of our association is strong. Membership is at all-time high, and our chapter network continues to grow, and our industry is thriving. Perhaps most importantly, NAHREP members have booked record years in terms of productivity. NAHREP has successfully pivoted to become a 21st century media platform, leveraging film and social media to disseminate our message. Our hope for 2021 is that NAHREP continues to provide leadership through our members in the effort to build wealth and prosperity for the Latino community. While there is a reason to be optimistic, the future is not guaranteed. Our policy team has never worked harder to make sure that the issues that affect Latino homeownership have our input, and access to affordable mortgages is facing headwinds, specifically for self-employed borrowers, and housing inventory has never been tighter. Housing is one of the pillars of the overall U.S. economy, and we have a stake in ensuring the Latino American will continue to thrive in the housing sector now and for the foreseeable future. Thank you and welcome to NAHREP Orange County. With this, I would like to introduce to you our board. I would like to introduce our vice president.
Hi, Zulma Arizmendi. This is my second year as a NAHREP board member.
Thank you, Sulma. I would like to introduce our treasurer.
Hi guys, Eric Kaiser, incoming treasurer, first year, and excited to be here.
Eric, welcome to our board. I would like to introduce our secretary.
Hello, everyone. Sergio Caro. I'm very happy to be here. This will be my third year on the NAHREP Orange County Board.
I would like to introduce our membership director.
Maria Gomez, this is my second year with the board. Very happy to be here.
Thank you, Maria. I would like to introduce our co-membership director.
Hi, everyone. My name is Joshua Luke Savage. This is my first year, and I'm couldn't be more excited to be here.
I would like to introduce our events director.
Hello, everyone. Joanna Segoviano, my first year on the board. I'm excited to be here.
I would like to introduce our marketing director.
Hello, everyone. Sarah Becerra. It is my second year on the board, and it's a pleasure to be of service.
I would like to introduce our co-marketing director.
Hi, guys. My name is Jenny Chides. This is my first year on the board, and I am very excited and honored.
I would like to introduce our parliamentarian.
Hi, I am Janelle Bernal with Century 21, and this is my second year at the board, and it's an honor to serve my community.
I would like to introduce our education director.
Hi, good morning, everyone. My name is Alexandra Fuentes, and this is actually my first year, so I'm very excited to see what we have for this coming year.
I would like to introduce our government affairs director.
Hi, everyone. Dominique Nacarado with JP Morgan Chase. This is my first year on the board. I'm excited to be here and look forward to a great year.
I'd like to introduce our sponsorship director.
Hello, everyone. Lena King with MyNHD, and I'm proudly serving for 3 years. I'm so excited to be here. Thank you.
I want to welcome everybody on the board, and I appreciate your time and dedication to this cause. We could only get through to this together, especially in a significant year as it is 2021. With this, I would like to close our installation, and I want to thank everybody for watching and everybody for being part of our organization. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you all for the previous support. Ricardo, once again, our gratitude, our heartfelt gratitude for leading the chapter last year. Lastly, we want to promote our upcoming event. And with that, Joanna Segoviano, our events director for this year, will tell us more about our upcoming event.
Yes, hello, everyone. We want to welcome you to our next and upcoming events. So stay tuned. You can register for this event. It's going to take place April 27 at 10 a.m. And it's going to be down payment assistance programs with Sahara at NeighborWorks Orange County. Some of the ways that you can register for this event is through an email, Facebook, or social media platforms. And we just want to welcome you and make sure you stay tuned to attend our next event. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you for sharing. I think with this information, we conclude our installation. I really want to thank everybody for joining us virtually, and hopefully next year we'll have an opportunity to actually share dinner and some time together to be able to install our 2022 president. Have a great, successful 2021.